Ever wondered how the world's leading companies seem to know just what you need even before you do? Here's a little secret. It's not magic, it's artificial intelligence. In today's deep dive, we're pulling back the curtain on the top 10 smart ways businesses are harnessing the power of AI to revolutionize their operations. From predicting your next online shopping splurge to enhancing those behind-the-scenes logistics, you'll discover how AI is the silent game changer shaping tomorrow's business landscape. Stay tuned and uncover the transformative strategies that you too could adopt for unprecedented success. Because understanding AI isn't just about staying updated, it's about staying ahead. Number 1. Enhanced customer service with chatbots. One of the primary and most widely recognized uses of artificial intelligence in business is the enhancement of customer service through the deployment of chatbots. Imagine a customer visiting your website in the dead of night, hoping to find answers to a pressing query. Without AI, the customer might have to wait until regular business hours for a response. However, with chatbots, instant answers can be provided 24/7. Chatbots utilize natural language processing, or NLP, to understand and process user queries, offering relevant solutions in real time. Moreover, integrating AI-powered chatbots into your business platform doesn't merely mean answering customer queries promptly. It's also about gathering invaluable data. Every interaction a customer has with the chatbot can be analyzed, helping businesses understand their customers better, identify common concerns, and make necessary adjustments. This continual learning ensures that over time, the chatbot becomes more efficient and effective in addressing user needs. Furthermore, the scalability of chatbots ensures that businesses can handle a massive influx of queries without incurring extra manpower costs. During peak seasons or promotional events, instead of hiring temporary customer service representatives, businesses can rely on their chatbots to handle the increased volume, ensuring consistent, timely, and accurate customer service. Number 2. Predictive analysis for informed decision-making. Data is the lifeblood of modern businesses, and AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data for patterns, trends, and predictions is unparalleled. Enter predictive analysis. Through machine learning algorithms, businesses can forecast sales, market demands, and even potential operational challenges. This isn't about mere guesswork, it's about making educated decisions based on hard data. But it's not just about foresight. Predictive analysis also helps businesses understand the why behind certain trends or patterns. By diving deep into the data, AI can highlight the causative factors behind certain outcomes. So for instance, if a specific product sees a sudden spike in sales, AI can help identify the reasons, be it a social media trend, an influencer mention, or a recent news article, allowing businesses to capitalize on such opportunities more effectively. Number 3. Personalized marketing campaigns. The era of generic one-size-fits-all marketing campaigns is drawing to a close, thanks to AI. Personalization is the name of the game today. Consumers today are inundated with marketing messages, and to stand out, businesses need to speak directly to the individual, addressing their unique needs, preferences, and behaviors. Artificial intelligence makes this feasible on a large scale. Moreover, it's not just about emails. Personalized marketing, powered by AI, spans multiple channels, be it social media advertisements, web banners, or even recommendation engines on e-commerce platforms. AI ensures that users see content that's most relevant to them. Over time, this not only boosts sales, but also enhances brand loyalty. After all, a brand that understands and caters to an individual's specific needs is one that's likely to win their trust and patronage in the long run. Number 4. Improved supply chain management. AI's influence on business isn't confined to the front-end customer-facing aspects. Behind the scenes, it's revolutionizing operations and logistics. Supply chain management, traditionally fraught with complexities, stands to gain immensely from AI integration. The key here is optimization. AI analyzes patterns, predicts demands, and recommends the best routes for transportation. The implication of such advanced analysis are manifold. Firstly, businesses can significantly reduce wastage. By predicting demand accurately, businesses can ensure they're not overstocking or understocking. This not only saves costs, but also ensures customers aren't left disappointed due to out-of-stock situations. Additionally, in the realm of transportation and logistics, AI's ability to predict and adapt is a game changer. By analyzing factors like weather patterns, traffic conditions, and historical data, AI can recommend the best routes for transportation, ensuring timely deliveries and reduced fuel consumption. It's not just about faster deliveries, but also about sustainable and cost-effective operations. Number 5. Enhanced recruitment processes. Hiring the right talent is crucial for any business. Traditional recruitment processes, however, are time-consuming and at times hit or miss. Artificial intelligence is poised to change this, making recruitment more effective and efficient. AI-driven platforms can scan through thousands of resumes, picking out the most relevant ones based on specific criteria, saving HR teams countless hours. Bias in recruitment is a genuine concern, leading to missed opportunities and a lack of diversity. AI, when programmed correctly, can help mitigate these biases. By focusing purely on data and patterns, AI ensures that selections are made based on merit and fit, rather than unconscious biases that might creep into human decisions. Thus, AI in recruitment isn't just about efficiency, it's also about fairness and inclusivity. Number 6. Advanced product recommendations. Any visitor to an e-commerce site is familiar with product recommendations. People who bought this also bought is a common refrain. But AI takes this to the next level. Instead of basic algorithms that suggest products based on broad categories or popular items, AI dives deep into individual user behavior. When AI analyzes a user's browsing history, past purchases, and even how long they hover over certain products, it crafts a detailed profile. Based on this, the recommendations made are hyper-personalized. For instance, if a user often browses eco-friendly products and have a history of buying sustainable goods, AI might recommend a newly launched biodegradable item. Number 7. Streamlined operations with robotic process automation, or RPA. Repetitive tasks, while necessary, can be time-consuming and prone to human error. AI-powered robotic process automation, or RPA, offers a solution. By automating routine tasks, businesses can free up their human resources for more value-added activities. Whether it's data entry, invoice processing, or basic customer service queries, RPA can handle it with speed and accuracy. What's more, these aren't static automations. AI ensures that the robotic processes learn and adapt. So if there's a recurring anomaly in data entry, the system will recognize and correct it in future instances. Number 8. Advanced fraud detection. In an increasingly digital world, security is paramount. Businesses, especially those in finance and e-commerce sectors, are often targets for fraud. Traditional fraud detection systems, while effective to a degree, often have high false positive rates and might miss new sophisticated fraud techniques. AI steps in to fill these gaps. By analyzing vast amounts of transaction data, AI can spot patterns that might elude human analysts. It's not just about flagging large, anomalous transactions. Sometimes, sophisticated fraudsters make multiple small transactions to fly under the radar. AI's deep learning algorithms can recognize such patterns, alerting businesses to potential threats. Number 9. Improved content creation with AI tools. Content is king, as the saying goes, but creating consistent high-quality content can be challenging. AI-driven content creation tools are emerging as game changers in this domain. While AI might not replace human creativity entirely, it can certainly augment it. There are AI platforms today that can draft basic news articles, create social media posts, or even suggest blog topics based on trending keywords. For businesses, this means a steady stream of content without overburdening their human teams. Furthermore, AI tools can analyze user engagement with content, suggesting tweaks or highlighting areas for improvement. But AI's role in content creation isn't limited to just drafting posts or articles. It also plays a crucial role in content optimization. By analyzing search engine algorithms, user behavior, and keyword trends, AI can recommend content strategies that boost visibility and engagement. In a digital landscape where visibility is paramount, AI-driven content optimization can give businesses the edge they need. Number 10. Enhanced business insights through AI-powered analytics. Data-driven decision-making is crucial in today's business environment, but raw data in its voluminous glory can be overwhelming. AI-powered analytics tools distill this data, offering actionable business insights. Instead of wadding through spreadsheets and charts, decision makers can access concise reports that highlight trends, challenges, and opportunities. But it's not just about simplification. AI analytics tools can also predict future trends. For instance, by analyzing market dynamics, competitor behavior, and internal data, AI can forecast potential growth areas or flag sectors that might be waning. Such foresight allows businesses to allocate their resources more effectively. Furthermore, AI analytics isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Different businesses have different metrics that matter to them. AI tools can be tailored to focus on these specific metrics, ensuring that the insights offered are relevant and actionable. In a world where time is often a scarce resource, AI-driven analytics ensures that businesses spend theirs wisely, focusing on data that truly matters. And there you have it, folks, a whirlwind journey into the heart of AI-driven business innovations. Remember, the future isn't written in the stars, it's coded in algorithms. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious. Cheers!